This is not safe. Don't try this at home, kids. Ow. Ow, stop. Really, dude?
That was good timing.
What's up, guys? We're here putting some Christmas lights on the tree here in the front yard. We just got one-upped by our neighbors hardcore, so we need a little bit more festivity this week here before Christmas.
Oh, I just stepped on my quad.
We'll let them lit while we work.
Yeah, always.
We want the, do you think the strand should be coiled up or laid out?
Laid out.
Okay.
More. Like, I don't want to drag it a long ways.
I will hold it up though.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna hold up everything that you're not currently using. I'm thinking we're starting with that end because that's the unplugged end. Yeah, so we'll start with that end at the top and kind of work our way down around. Do we want to test run with it first?
No.
No.
What's the plan?
Let's see if we can get you hooked on to the lights with your drone and get them up to the very top of the tree and start looping them around. You ready?
Now we can just take up.
Now hook this. We'll try and hook this one.
Yep. We're never gonna. Oh shit.
Do we have a freestanding ladder?
No.
No?
Got it. First try. I'm gonna try FPV because that was way harder than I thought. Okay, the first one worked just barely. Like I did it line of sight, but it was really hard to keep orientation of the quad because it's pretty dark out here. So I'm gonna do FPV on the next one, and so we're hooking up a second strand, and so we put the end that's not plugged in up on top of the tree, and then we're gonna kind of keep like pulling loops up over until we run out of lights, and then that will hopefully successfully wrap the tree, but we'll see.
All right.
How did
Take two.
How did that first one go?
Not what I was planning, but it never is. Okay, straight up. Oh, you lost it. Crap. Okay, you got it. Go up. Stop. Back up.
Did it work? Now what?
Stay right where you are.
Working on it.
Okay.
What's up? Try again?
No, we need to connect it closer to the quad.
Okay.
So come down and land right where you are. Oh my god, where are you going?
Try to land.
Okay, you're good. Cut.
I can't wait to see this. Oh, I'm like standing right behind the camera. Great.
This is not safe. Don't try this at home, kids. Ow. Ow, stop.
Do I still have it?
Okay, right there.
Yep. Got it?
You're on. Okay, stay toward the house though. Up, straight up, straight up, straight up. Now over. Okay. Oh crap. Okay, stop going that way. And now. Okay, now you gotta unhook yourself from it. So come down.
One way of doing it.
That works.
We gotta unhook it again though.
What?
We're gonna try and unhook it.
Just
Wiggle, just let it wiggle.
Whose idea was this?
No. See, if you kind of just flick it, like get the quad off of it, and then just flick the. There you go. Hey, hey!
We're smarter than we look.
I mean, we're making it work. We're never gonna get this off this tree.
That's what I'm saying. Like I couldn't even unhook, and it's like it's literally just like held on like that, and I couldn't even like get underneath it, and then go up again. Oh well. I would say go like around almost.
Right, exactly. That's gonna be a lot easier.
Like I can't help but think it would have just been easier to like toss them, but that's not what this is about.
You're good right there. Hooked on, hooked on. Oh, we got the mailbox. Stop. Okay, straight up.
Am I over it now?
Yeah. No, you gotta back up, back up. You gotta go higher. There you go. We're so stuck now. It's like we're flying around.
You said go around.
So you're going to go slow and steady.
Well, I was trying to. Oh shit.
Well, I was playing a little out of control.
Hey.
Not his usual flying, we'll put it that way. And he just kind of like whipped around the top of the tree and got stuck about 20 feet up. So we're gonna try and poke it down.
You said go around, I went around. Oh, dang. Need another one. This is all original stuff from the Tower of Pain, too. So we could have just done this and hoisted the lights over.
No.
Been a lot more precise, probably.
No. Oh, you're going for that?
Yeah, figured. Did the bungee come or no?
Huzzah.
Okay, now what?
I guess we gotta come up and go around.
Maybe let's
slower
go
part.
for like that little bit there.
Yeah, like just get it.
Yeah.
Here, do you want to use the stick?
No. Kidding me? Here, a stick.
To your right more. Forward. Hey, come here. Okay, you're hooked. Go straight up. Nope, come back. Lost it. Okay, hooked. Okay, over toward the light post more. Toward the street. And down, straight down, straight down, straight down. And cut.
Hey, look at that. Okay.
Okay, here we go. See if this works.
Hey,
Hey!
look at that.
We have lights on our tree. Whew! That is not symmetrical.
It's art.
I love it. Hey, come here.
What do you think, Kira? What do you think? What do you think? Ambivalent. Nice.
Looks a little better from this side. It's kind of loopy, but not bad. I'm happy with it.